All right. Now, what are we doing now? So, let's do this. I'm going to show you a couple things that I like to do. I end up using rulers a bit to kind of help my world stay aligned. So I'm going to go up to View, Rulers, Show Rulers. Okay, so you can see now I have a ruler, which is nice. But the thing that's nicer is that I can make guides. And so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make a whole nother layer. So I'm going to go to my little layers panel, click on the create new layers. And I'm going to, what I can do is actually go up to my ruler, click anywhere in there, click and drag, and then bring that down. And you can kind of see in there, there's like a little bit of a line. I'm going to line it up with my ears. I let go, and now I have a guideline. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing, bring it to the bottom. Cool. Bring this over, bring it from this side. Cool. And I'm just going to kind of leave it like that for right now. I'm actually going to lock that layer. If I want to get rid of these things or move them around, all I have to do is take my selection tool and move it around. If I don't like it, I just hit delete, done. That's this is why I kind of put on a separate layer, so that way I can just kind of lock it and I don't have to kind of mess around with it being in the way. Okay, so I'm going to kind of manipulate these a little bit. I honestly don't know what I'm doing yet, so I'm just going to kind of mess with it and see what happens. I'm going to take this. I kind of want these to line up a little bit better. And so what I'm going to do, let's get out of here. Go back here, here. I'm going to bring this in so I can line it up with this G. Bump that over. Yep. All right, so lock. So I don't have to mess with that. I'm going to take each one of my words and actually, so right away when you did the type outline, it actually groups it all together. So I'm actually going to go into my group by double clicking on it and select each individual word. So I'm going to Command G for group, Command G for group, and then Command G for group. Okay, so now these words are individual words. Okay, cool, because I want them to be spaced out the same way they are right now. So bring this here, there, and then maybe, I don't know, let's try rotating this a little bit. Ooh. Rotate this, and maybe throw it in here. Actually, I'm going to bring down the temporary one right here. And then that. Bring another one down to go to the bottom. And those. Got those. And that actually lines up relatively well with that. I can make a little bit of adjustment by bumping it over. Maybe I like that, maybe I don't. I'm not 100% sure. I'm just going to leave it there for right now. But let's click out of here. Slide this up to kind of to the middle. And just to kind of give this a little bit more flair or interest, I'm going to keep making a few more adjustments just to kind of like fill this space a little bit and just to kind of show you some of the stuff that you can do. So I'm going to go back into this because these are shapes. What I can do is I can select those points individually and I can exaggerate them. So I'm just going to pull this one and have it actually pull off my page, and then maybe pull this out. So I'm going to go to this point here, pull this down, and you know what? Let's actually select these letters and actually bump these down a little bit, and then actually pull this, the letters on this, and pull this out to those corners. So I'm going to kind of use this as a almost like a line in between the two. And you. This. Pull this up back kind of into place. I don't hate it. I don't love it. But I don't hate it. Just kind of give similar spacing. Meh. Let's get rid of that. Whatever is that weird circle. Kind of center this a little bit better so it's in there. I'll bring this down back into place. Maybe just to like whatever. That kind of works, I guess. Cool. So we're just gonna leave that how it is for now. And I don't know if I like it. Alright, so I just kind of messed around with it a little bit more. This is kind of what I came up with for right now. So I'm just gonna kind of run with it and go from there. And I'll show some more stuff in the next video.